How to get unbanned from Wizz app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can get unbanned from the Wizz app. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to get unbanned from the Wizz app, what you actually need to do is, first of all, you have to understand why did you get banned. Maybe you conducted some kind of spammy behavior or fraudulent behaviors on the Wizz app, and Wizz app could have limited your IP address from accessing their server. In this case, the very first thing you have to do is change the IP address. Now, how do you change the IP address? Well, it's very simple. If you have some other Wi-Fi's, you can try to connect to that Wi-Fi because it is going to change the IP address of your router. And then what you can also do is you can simply try to switch to cellular data instead of using a Wi-Fi, because switching to cellular data will also help you most likely solve your problem. If this doesn't help and none of these solutions work, in that case you can try to make use of a VPN. When you connect to a VPN, it is going to connect to a virtual private network. As a result, it's also going to change the IP address that is emitted from your router, and now you can go ahead and try to open the Wizz app and then try to relog into your account, and then this time you will most likely be able to solve the problem. So hope this video helped you as to how you can get unbanned from the Wizz app. As I said, changing the IP address will do the work for you. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.